Hello friends, welcome back. Today first we will see the quick revision of the last class. That is, we have seen from here बाद में मिलेंगे, बाद में मिलेंगे, बाद में मिलेंगे, see you later. Then future tense, that is here past tense, present tense and future tense, that is कल, आज, कल, कल, आज, कल, that is कल मिलते हैं itself means later, that is tomorrow, see you tomorrow. Then again the same thing, कल मिला था, that's a past tense भूतकाल, past tense भूतकाल. We met yesterday. We met yesterday. Then the tenses, past tense, present tense and future tense we have seen, that's bhutkal, vartaman kal and bhavishya kal. Then alvida, alvida, goodbye. Then here a sound, e sound we have seen, the sound ending of a and e. And what are the exceptions for this above rule? For this above rule, what are the exceptions we have seen yesterday? Now we'll see here the new one, that is, again I'll give you one more example of the exceptions. For example, pita. See here, p ta means father, means a father. In English it's a father. So pita, a sound. Pita, a sound. Then papa. Pita can also called as in Hindi papa. Pa, pa, papa, a sound. Then we will see now, today we will see first person, second person and third person, singular as well as plural. Okay. See here, singular and here plural, singular and plural. Okay, now we will mark here as first person, second person and third person. Okay, now see here the first person singular means मैं, I, मैं, how we will write? Ma, मैं means I. मैं means I. मैं हूँ, I am. मैं हूँ, I am, that is मैं, singular. When it comes to plural, we, that is हम. We both, that is we are, that now हम. Hum means we, more than one, plural. We, hum. The second person, singular, tu. Singular, tu. Singular, tu. Tu means you. Singular, tu means you. Now for plural, it will be tum or it will be aap. It's depending upon tum or aap, like formal and informal. If it's a friend, what we say? Tum, you, tum. If it's a relation or someone who is a stranger for us, so what we'll say? We will give him a respect. So aap. Both has you. In English only you. Tu, that is you. In singular second person, tu. Then here tum, aap means represents you in plural second person. Now it comes for third person. Go for now third person, formal and informal. Now see here tum and aap. So which is here formal? Formal means the one who is a stranger for us or whom we are unaware of. Like aap, we will say aap. tum. Tum means the one who is very close to us or very near to us. You can say a friend, a close relative. Can say tum to them. Tum to them. Okay. Tum and aap itself means same. Only a difference is aap means aap. A respect will be given as we are not aware of the respective person. Okay. So now see here, third person. Aap and tum we will see now. Aap. Aap and tum. Aap and tum. So aap is a formal. Aap is a formal. For example, if we write letters, formal letters. So what we mention here, the respected sir, respected madam will say, or to the class teacher, something. So tum, it's a informal for a friends. Okay, informal. You, tum. Then see here now, singular, third person. Third person, here we will see here. That's a yah, vah. Yah, vah. See, yah. Yah, yah. Yah means this. Yah means this. This we can say. Or if we represent for a girl or a boy or a thing, it will be he, she or it. Yah. Yah. This is a mat. This is a book. He is a boy. She is a girl. It is an object. Yah. Yah. This is singular. Third person singular. Yah. For it, ye. In plural, ye. Ye means these. They are plural. Third person plural. Now, the same yah, this and that. So, yah, then vah. Vah means that. That, same. He, she and it. Now see here friends, vah is for singular third person. Now ve, as it's here, ye, here would be ve. Ve. Ve means those. Those and they. Those and they. Now we will just revise once again here. See, today we have seen now the a ending sound. One example is pita means father. Pita means father. Pita, a sound. Papa, a sound. Then we have seen the three person singular as well as plural what we say in Hindi. Translation is given in English. See, singular and plural. Singular and plural. Singular first person. First person. Only one person is there. So what he will say in singular? Main. He is speaking about him. Main. If it's in plural, more than one person. So the first person will say we are. Hum. Hum. In the second person singular, tu. That's you. Tu. That's you. Plural, tum. Tum. Tum is a informal. Tum. Aap. Aap. It's also meant same you in plural. Tum and aap. I've given you an explanation here. Aap. What is aap? When we will use the word aap and when we will use the word tum. Then yah. Third person. Third person. Yah. Yah means this. He, she, it can be yah as the object or a person or a thing is near to us. Then plural. Plural means ye, these, more than one object or more than one children or more than one some things are kept near to us. These and they. These are children. These are the kids. They are very good. Then plural. See here. This is also third person singular now. Vah. 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 Vah means this and this is that. Vah means that. When the object is very far from us, we will say that. Then if a person, that's the name of a boy, is very far from us, he is standing near the tree. He is standing near the tree. So where is the tree? Tree will be here. Tree will be very far from us. That's why we are saying he is standing near the tree. She is standing near the tree. He, she, it's an object. So the object or a girl or a boy is very far from us. We will say in Hindi vah. Vah. Then ve. Ve means plural. Ve means plural. You can say here ve, those, they. Those, they. Now we will see now few verbs which is very important to start the basic Hindi. Hona. Ho, na. Ho, na. Hona means to be. Hona. Hona means to be. Then pa, da, na. Pad, na. You can read like this. Pad, na. Padna means to read. Now, bolna. Bo, la, na. Bolna. Bol, na. To speak. To speak. Okay, we will revise once again. Ho, na. Ho, na means to be. Pad, na. Pad, 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 na. To read. Na means to. Bol, na. Bol, na. Bo, la. Bol, na. To speak. Ho, na. To be. Pad, na. To read. Bol, na. Means to speak. Next. See, ka, na. Seekna. Na means to. Seekna means to read and understand. To read and understand. To read and understand. Now see here. Na. Seekna. Then ja, na. Jana. Jana means to go. Jana means to go. Ja, na means to go. Now we will revise the one we have studied today. That's sound ending last example. Pita, a. Pita means father. A. Papa, a sound. Singular and plural we have seen 3 person. First person मैं, हम. Second person तू, तुम, आप. Third person आप, तुम. Difference I have given here. What is the difference between आप and तुम? Third person singular यह, singular यह, plural ये, plural ये. Then the third person itself वह, वे, वह, वे. Some few words. हो, ना. Action words. हो, ना. To be. Pad, na. To read. बोलना, to speak, सीखना, to read and understand. जाना, to go, जाना, to go. Thank you.